Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to unbox this parcel of cubes which I ordered from Creative Cubes Mexico. They are basically making custom cubes from 3D printing extensions, and I'm very excited to open this because I've ordered 4 different cubes, and they are their quality is very good. So I'm very excited. In fact, I have ordered this cubes in the month of August, and today I got the cubes. So it is more than 90 days. But I am very excited to open this. So let us open this. So these are not mass produced cubes. These are basically custom made cubes. So okay, so the first cube is Kiloming's Ghost. So this is from Creative Cubes. So it's quite a big in size, and this is very smooth functioning cube, and you can see it's very big in size, and this is basically Kiloming's Ghost cube. So it is, we can customize the filament stickers and everything. So this is brushed black stickers with white filament. So and this is their logo. Okay, let's see which another. Okay, so the next is Kilo Hexaminx. So this is also an exciting cube. This is basically from Kiloming's cube. So okay, so this is Kilo Hexaminx cube, and this is also the base cube is Kiloming's. In this also the base cube is Kiloming's. So this is Kiloming's Ghost, and this is Kilo Hexaminx. This is also in the same format of moving. So this, it moves like it moves similar to Kilomix because it's from Kilomix. So it is I mean they have I mean did some work on Kilomix, and they've done this, and the base I mean filament is I think regular black, and this is double stickers basically. So it is very smooth, and the quality is excellent quality. I mean you can see it, the quality is very nice. So okay, then third is, this is 3x3x5 plus. So I think you can see the extensions. So I think this is made from 5x5. So I mean it moves from this, and then we can move here. So this is I think I need to first check what all moves I can do with this 3x3x5 plus cube. This is also very nice. I mean stickers and everything is excellent. And the final one is 4x4 mirror cube. So in fact I was very particular about the color of I mean filament for this 4x4. I wanted it to be in wood color filament. So they especially arranged wood color filament for me, and you can see it, the quality is excellent. So it is very nice. You can see the extensions from here. So these are all extension of on 4x4. So this looks very nice. So in fact initially I ordered for thick outline stickers, then I revised my order and I asked for double outline stickers, and they happily did it without any extra cost. So I am very happy with the kind of service and the kind of cubes they make. So it is, I mean, excellent cubes, though it took a lot of time to reach me, because it took almost 90 days to reach India, but it is, I mean, the quality of cubes are excellent. You can see it. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.